Kumbh Mela or Kumbh Mela is a major pilgrimage and festival in Hinduism. It is celebrated in a cycle of approximately 12 years to celebrate every revolution of Jupiter completes at four riverbank pilgrimage sites: Allahabad, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati rivers, Haridwar, Gangas, Nasik, Godavari, and Ujjain, Shipra. The festival is marked by a ritual dip in the waters, but it is also a celebration of community commerce with numerous fairs, education, religious discourages by saints, mass gathering of monks, and entertainment. The seekers believe that bathing in these rivers is a means of prashchit for past mistakes and that it cleans them of their sins. You will see a certain pattern. If it is falling into 12-year cycle, you are in a reasonably good place. Health and being peaceful is not an issue. Now it's time to work for freedom. Time to work for mukti, that's what it means. It is a profound understanding of the 12th and the quarter year cycle of the sun when we are the way we are. Why we got shaped like this is fundamentally because of the various forces that functions upon us, solar system being the main thing. In a way, the solar system is functioning like a potter's wheel. It functions like the potter's wheels and it do the part somebody wants to empty their pot. If only, if for example, the planet decides to rotate a little faster than the way it is right now, all organisms on this planet will have to go through a dramatic change in the way they are probably the presently existing organism, including us, would not survive a two times speed of rotation. We are like this. Because we are a product of this system, understanding the power of these cycles upon the human system, they identified places which would be of maximum benefit to human well being. So, particularly, they choose places where there is a confluence of rivers because where two rivers meet, there is a non stop force, and our bodies of the fire element dominated by water. Over 72% of our body is water. So, if you are in a place where there are churning waters at certain times, considering at that time of these 12 cycles, the relationship between the planet and the sun, it creates a powerful situation. One can transform themselves. A lot of studies have been made on the previous Kumbh and they found phenomenal psychological changes in people who stayed there over for 40 days. And every day they were in that water. Kumbh is supposed to be for 48 days, that these people should stay there for 48 days, every day in the river along with the sadhana. This is part of the Buddhist Shuddhi should be. Traditionally, where the fundamental process is to cleanse the elements of the system and the water being a major part of it, water is considered very important for health, well being, prosperity, whatever we are seeking in our lives. So, these 48 days has a particular specific sadhana where people stayed there and went through this process and came out fully transformed because they made use of the natural force to transform the quality of oneself, not just psychologically, even spiritually. But today, people are going just one quick dip and out. That's a difference game. There may be some benefit we don't know, but it's too brief when I watch people. They just in and out in 3 minutes. That is too brief to have any kind of major impact except maybe an emotional involvement. I know you cannot take off, maybe, right? Now, make up your mind in 48 days, but if you are planning your Kumbh trip, at least plan minimum 3 to 7 days so that you were there to do some sadhana, benefit from that process rather than make a ritual out of it. It is not for a ritual, it is a scientific process. It's just that science has been lost and practice has been carried on. That's all that's happened. It's time to put back the science because only then we will benefit. It's time we approach these things with little more understanding and meaning to it so that one can really benefit rather than simply making a ritual out of it. For those of you who are thinking, what has it got to do with me because I live in an luxury home? Well, to put in a way, fundamental way, if our mothers' bodies were not in a sync with the cycle of the moon, we would not be born. Yes, we would not be born. So the cycles of the moon and the sun has a profound impact in the way we are. Acknowledging this, celebrating this, and finding ways to go beyond this is what Kumbh is all about. What yoga is in many ways to break the cycles of the life. When I see cycles, anything that's cyclic is beyond to be repetitive. If something is repetitive, that means it's not getting anywhere. This most people realize when they are close to their deathbed, that when they look back and see what looked like great things when they were doing it, when they look back and see, doesn't mean a thing. Those who look back and see, and those who die and regret. But if you look ahead and see what you are very passionately waiting to do tomorrow, actually doesn't mean a thing, then you would look at life and much more profoundly. The problem is not passion, the problem is not involvement, the problem is not entanglement. The nature of entanglement is always cyclic. So these cyclic are determined everything about the human being. If you are living in a physical, mental, very healthy state, your system will go through 12 and a quarter year cycles. Just for example, if it falls to 6 year cycle, that means you may still be successful in the world, but you will not may know peace or joy in life. If you falls to 3 year cycle, you will have a hard time with the world around you and yourself. If you fall into 18 months cycle, you are antidepressants. If you fall into 9 months, 3 months, 6 months cycle, you are in serious conditions of mental and psychological struggles. Now, the comes from this understanding that you are trying to regularize your cycle to a 12-year cycle. If you carefully observe your life, the psychological situations, emotional situations, and also life situations, you will see a certain pattern to the cycles. If you look, you don't have to share this with anybody. This is not a confession. If you sit down and write down different things that have happened in your life, you will see a certain patterns. If it is falling into 12-year cycle, you are in a reasonably good place, health, and being peaceful is not an issue. Now it's time to work for freedom. Thank you.